Hello, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to update the designs in your account. Of course, you can always email us in at custom@sockclub.com if there are any other changes that you want to see. So when you're on the design page in your account, click on the design that you want to update. So say I want to change this cuff to match the rest of the design and be the same color. Over on the right side, click on the color you want to update. And then this screen is going to pop up. From here, you're going to click on cuff to update the cuff color. So I'm going to change it to burnt orange from our natural color. Everything looks good. Click save as a new version. You have your new version ready to go. If there's any other in-depth changes you want to see, simply click request design revision on the right. And then you're going to be chatting directly with our design team. So you can make any changes that you'd want to see there and then click send design request and it'll go directly to them.